Welcome to our toothpaste factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how toothpaste is made, from raw materials to the final tube.
Inspection complete on batch 7. Seals are intact.
Acknowledged. Proceed to staging area.
Our automated mixers blend the cleaning power of calcium with fluoride, achieving the perfect balance for comprehensive protection.
Every batch is refined and tested for consistency and safety.
According to the tablet, we're ahead of schedule.
Yes, the current run rate is excellent.
Every tube is tested before reaching consumers.
And that's how toothpaste is made, after marrying, from raw materials to a clean, confident smile.